this episode of Tea Time, I'm going to be getting some new parts for the Celica. Another thing that you can do is try to find another parts car that's got some things yours doesn't have. So my car has a 390 rear gear, but it's an open diff, and I said I was going to be looking for an LSD. Maybe I didn't say it on camera though. And then a few other little bits and whatnot. So we're over here in Woodland, Washington today, and I'm getting some help from Brad, and we're gonna check out the diff that's in this other car over here and see if it's got the goods or if it's trash. We'll probably pop it open, see what it looks like. I brought some fluid and a gasket and some brake clean, and yeah, we're gonna take a peek inside, so stay tuned and we're gonna go over. But here's the parts car. Ooh, this thing's pulling hard on it. Got some seats. I love these door pulls. They're slightly different than mine are. Let's see, this one's from 1982. March 1982. Peek in here, got some black interior. There's plenty of bugs and shit inside of this thing. But there's a couple of bits. I needed the ashtray cover, and the ashtray and cover were in here in working shape, which was awesome. This car is rusted though. Look at that shit. And then, oh snap. Man, you went right to it.
Oh yeah.
Dang. I don't know if you want to say hi or not.
Hello.
No safety was left to imagine here. We got the jack out of the back of the car, and then another one as a jack stand. So I know I wasn't getting under there without a jack stand. So anyway, I wish I could get these taillights, but I guess you have to go in and cut the back panel out to make it work. And I'm not about to do that. Look at this glass. Oh, look at that glass looking all nice. And this one was a double, not double wing, but a tall wing car. You see how it's got the fold. A lot of people, when they take the big wing and they put it on my car, they'll notice that that pillar isn't there in the middle. That little hole is not here. And there's the wing down below, which you probably can't see because it won't do that, but it causes it to bow. So I'm gonna try to get a hold of a double wing because my hatch is pretty rusted, but it's a lot worse on the inside. Don't know how well you can see all that, but you'll see it's like coming through in here, which people are like, oh, no, it's rescuable. No, when I pulled this panel off, it was full of water and completely eaten out to the point that the little clips don't even hold it. So anyway, let's stay tuned and see what we find. All right, so now we're about to check the fluid inside of it. It's definitely out of the car. Wasn't enough room in there to really film. So here we go. All right, look at all these. Okay, so is there a bunch of shit on there? Oh,
Nah, actually, it's
looks pretty good.
for being from 1982.
Huh?
There's not a whole lot of anything in there.
Too bad.
Yeah.
It looks about as bad as my transmission one did. I'm not kidding. I'm gonna pour it out. So the guesses, are there any fluid in here? Oh, there's a little bit, a little tiny bit. Let's see. Probably a bunch of stuff in the way here. Wow. Definitely a line of silvery shit coming out of it though. Wonder how old that fluid is.
Probably from 1982.
82, huh? Oh wow, look at that. A whole bunch more shit came out. Cool. Plenty of fluid in there.
Yeah.
That one looks good. Not there would be, but
it looks like it's been changed.
Huh.
That's actually nice.
Good old shit. Sweet.
It's actually a decent color too.
Well, I wouldn't want to drink it, but you know.
I mean,
Yeah, there we go. That's a better. You want to lean that thing like that? Definitely gray. Definitely needs new shit though. There we go. That's weird. It's like some of it looks really clean and some of it looks as old as it is. That's weird. Maybe it's like separated from sitting so long. That's like layers.
Yeah, could be.
Like the weights of it will be different.
It did
But,
get towed from Sandy to here. Was its original home like 12 years ago. It was started to
Go
be
downhill.
stored at that point. They
Gotcha.
said something went wrong with the motor, and it was
Sure.
parked. After
Well.
12 years, I came by and guarded it out of the bushes, and
Here we are. And then it sat in the bushes. Well, it sat in the grass for a period of time. But yeah. All right. So we're gonna take the cover off, and we'll pop back to that when we get to there, and we'll see what the insides look like. All right. Get that out of the way, hopefully.
that looks amazing in there, actually.
Other than that debris that just fell in.
That's all right. This was actually well taken care of, it looks like.
Can you spin it at all? I don't think anyone can.
Oh.
Wow. That fin gear looks really good.
Yeah, it does.
Wow. Somebody definitely put some Pennzoil in here.
Yeah.
How yellow that shit is.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I guess we can definitely get all the fluid out. Wow.
Looks good.
It does. I mean, it doesn't like even those teeth in there look
Great.
mint.
Yeah.
That's weird. That's a blast from the past. See, you ever heard of that good old shit? This is good old shit. Like where it's old and it's in good shape.
That's right.
Oh yeah, we're just gonna get all of the gasket. Interesting. Huh. I wouldn't have guessed it would have been in this nice a shape. I
Yeah,
would have guessed
I
it.
would
I
never-
would have guessed there would at least been like a nick or something.
Something. But that
Wow.
looks really nice.
Okay, I guess I get lucky again. So I guess we're gonna clean it up and seal it up and put it in somewhere else, I guess. Yeah, I'm hyped on that. 2-wheel peel. Coming soon. All right, so we are back over here to Brad's house, and we've got my old diff out, and we've got the one that we were just looking at over out in Woodland over here. It cleaned up a little bit, and we're gonna slide this one out and kind of see what I was dealing with the whole time. Or rather, oh, okay. All right, so before we do that, let's take a peek here. Is there a way we can tell what ratio this was? Want to make a little mark here?
Just like we did last time?
Yeah.
Here,
Something sharp, maybe. Okay. So, yeah, it gives
the clean part.
that gives us an idea. So, let me know when you're ready.
Oh shit.
What?
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3,
'Right where it was.
Huh.
390.
Oh yeah, because right here would be
The other one was about here, so
yeah. So
that'd be your difference. It's a 390.
okay, so it's only 2/10 of a circle difference.
Yeah.
All right. This one, as it was leaking, and you're saying this thing's
Look at see how the seal comes in and out with,
no. Let's turn it. Remember, it's
Yeah.
with this. So
and see, the seal is actually sliding
Moving
inside
with
of the
it.
differential.
okay.
So
So, but that's not the case on this side.
No.
Well, this side's
It's still a
kinda
little
normal.
clunky.
Definitely open.
But, oh yeah, super open.
Super open. Opendiff.com. This is not skids. This is not what we want.
No.
What I want.
No.
Okay, and then try to grab that other one thing. So this one has the that's a lot less than the other
Yeah,
one.
that's what I was saying. Is that one's got a lot of play in it.
Oh, that's way better.
Yeah.
Keep in mind we resealed this one up over there. Got it all zipped down, and then this one, as far as we can tell, the only thing that might happen is it might have a little bit of a pinion seal leak, but the inside was beautiful. The LSD looked like it's seen no action.
Mm-hmm.
But we should put some fluid in it.
Yeah, we'll get fluid in there.
Get some
before we
fluid in
stick
there.
it
But anyway, yeah. So, and then as far as taking it out's concerned, if you could kind of take us through that real quick, just because I know you've been under here doing this, I didn't want to bug you. So.
So basically, the big flange that's on the top of the differential comes up into the subframe in here.
Not gonna be able to see up there.
2
I'm
bolt
sorry.
holes, just studs that kind of come through, and then the front half of the housing sits inside of the front half of the subframe here with your CV axles left and right.
Okay.
Just 4 bolts on the drive shaft, the 4 here, the 4 here, the 8 here, and the 2 up here, and they come out. It's just depending on how
Tight the
how much
bolts are.
convincing you
Now-
have to do to get it out.
And one thing that we had to do to circumvent how tight some of these bolts were, due to clearance, is I had to take this shock off and run a bar on top of the breaker bar to get in on top of it to get those 2 bolts out.
Yeah.
Which was terrible, but making it work.
Yep.
So, but anyway, it's definitely time to get that diff out because it's definitely ready to probably either blow up or come apart or spew its guts on the freeway. So anyway, but hopefully we'll have that one back in there and stick around till the next episode, I guess. I know this one's not super thorough, but there's been a lot more moving stuff around and dealing with stuff than the other ones. But definitely in a friend's driveway sort of deal. And I'm not able to really do much of that with it because I've got rear-ended and blah, blah, blah on my back. I'm not able to really move that sort of stuff right now without hurting myself. So, no, it sounds like a sissy cop-out, but your health is your health.
Right.
So, anyway, but until next time, guys.